Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect to GCP VM using IPv6 SSH setup, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect to a GCP VM using IPv6 via SSH, first, ensure you have set up a Google Cloud Platform project. Navigate to the Google Cloud Console and select your project. Access the VM Instances section from the left menu. Locate the virtual machine you wish to connect to and click on its name. In the VM instance details, note the external IPv6 address. If an IPv6 address is not present, you will need to enable IPv6 for your VM. To do this, go back to the VM instances list. Select your virtual machine and click on the Edit button at the top. Scroll down to the Network Interfaces section. Check the box to enable an IPv6 address. Save your changes to assign an IPv6 address. After confirming your IPv6 address, open your terminal or command prompt. Make sure you have SSH installed on your local machine. To initiate the SSH connection, use the command format SSH username at IPv6 address. Replace username with your VM's username and IPv6 address with the actual IPv6 address. If you're using a non-standard port, include port number in your command. Press Enter to execute the SSH command. If this is your first time connecting to the VM, confirm the authenticity of the host. You may need to enter the password for your user account. Once authenticated, you will be connected to your GCP VM running over IPv6. Congratulations, you are now ready to use your GCP VM via SSH with IPv6 connectivity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.